Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Brendan and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, it's great to have you. And today we have some very big news to go over when talking about the altcoins in cryptocurrency. Now, it's no secret that the altcoins have been doing very well for themselves this year, but I think that we've just scratched the surface of what they are getting ready to do. Now, the reason I say that is for a couple of reasons, and we're going to take a look at Ethereum today as an example of this. Well, what we've done here is we have broken out of this multi-year downtrend channel that Bitcoin, or excuse me, the altcoin market has been in. Now, the way that we get this is that we take the entire market cap for all of cryptocurrency and then subtract out the market cap of Bitcoin, and that's how we get the entire of the altcoin market cap. Now, what this shows is that we have been getting rejected and held down and beaten down by this for years now. I mean, this goes all the way back to 2018, and we've seen this downtrend channel be a constant menace. But now with us breaking out of this and actually retesting our previous high, this is a very good sign. What this shows to me is that we are getting ready to reverse, and so long as we break this, which it looks like we will here, so long as we don't double top, this is a reversal for altcoins, and that's exactly the way that I see this. We had a beautiful macro double bottom. We can see that the volume is squeezing over here, signifying that a big move is coming, and right now that big move certainly looks like it is squeezing towards the upside, in my opinion. So today what I want to do is I want to talk about the entire altcoin market, the state that it's in, and I want to take a look at Ethereum. So let's go ahead and dive on into this because I think that this is an extremely important video. Now, if you guys don't know, I talked about Ethereum in the Discord the other day, talking about why I thought it was going to explode. I'll go ahead and post that right here. And Ethereum has done pretty well for itself up into the point of making this video. So I think that we are just scratching the surface of what altcoins are getting ready to do. And as I've already mentioned, we have this squeeze. You can see this so clearly on the volume. The volume is falling off and big moves are coming. And I definitely think that those big moves are going to be towards the upside. I think a lot of these altcoins are undervalued for where they're at right now. They are valued at what they were maybe a couple of years ago, back in like 2016, 2017, 2018, and the technology and the platform for all of those use cases have grown tremendously since then, and I think that we are starting to see people realize that. But strictly from a technical analysis standpoint, you have this suppression and this major trend line that has been broken, and so with all of this happening, this looks like it is getting ready to go, and in fact, I think we are retesting previous levels right now to get ready to do like a break, hook, and go formation. So when I'm looking at this from a macro timescale, again, we're looking at this from a 3-day. This isn't anything small. This isn't like a 1 day or a 1 week or even a 1 month chart that we're looking at. We're looking back all the way to 2017, 2018 over in here, and I think that we could immediately be testing and even doubling the altcoin market before the end of this year. Now, I know that's going to sound crazy, and I know that's a very big claim, but you know, again, once we break above this, we have like one minor resistance of the next swing high, and then we have this open gap range for altcoins to just roam in and fly in. And I think we're going to see a lot of altcoins that were lower on the scales come up on the scales. Not to say that like things are going to be getting dethroned or anything like that, but I think that you're going to see like a different set of altcoins run than we did in like the 2017, 2018 run. You know, there was like Neo, Cardano, XRP, and I'm not saying that those guys won't run, but I mean, some of those went like 20x, 30x, 40x, and I just don't know if that's going to be the case for some of those altcoins again. Now, it's possible, but I think that it is more likely for some of the lower market caps to 10x than some of the high market caps to 10x, just because of the way that fundamental economics work. So I want to go ahead and take a look at Ethereum over in here, and the Ethereum chart I think is a prime example of this. Now, when Ethereum was getting ready to break out over here and what it was doing, again, very similar chart to the altcoin market in that it came over here, hit bottom, came over here, double bottomed almost. It was a slightly higher swing low, but for the most part, it looked like a double bottom. Had the exact same form of resistance, breakout, hook, and go. And now here we're past the previous high, and Ethereum is flying. I mean, in the last like week, I think Ethereum's up like almost 30%. It's just phenomenal. Now today it's up around 2%, I think. But I mean, again, the next resistance that this has is again up in this like mid 350 area. Now, if it breaks this, I mean, we are we're getting ready to go. Now, the reason that this is going to be such a hard level of resistance around 350, because this is the previous bottom, now previous top. This is support turn resistance, and Ethereum's going to have to break through this. Now, so long as Ethereum breaks through this, I mean, this thing has room to fly. I mean, it really, really does. What I would be looking at over here is something like along the lines of this. And yeah, that says a lot for, you know, where I think Ethereum can truly go over here. Resistance in like the 800s, if it can so break this like 350 to 450 area, I don't see any reason why I can't double after that. Now, it's easier to say that in technical terms, and it's easier in theory. We're going to have to see how the market reacts, excuse me. But I think that the Ethereum is leading and paving the way for all of the altcoins. And I'll make a video probably solely on Ethereum tomorrow to talk about this. But the altcoin market, I think, is just not mirroring, but Ethereum is leading the altcoin market once again. It's the king of the altcoins. It's the highest altcoin by market cap, and it has been for, you know, a very, very long time. So with Ethereum flying like the way that it is right now, I think that we're just going to see altcoins follow for the most part, and you're going to see some true altcoin projects shine and stand out, and there's a lot of potential to be made here. Now, again, I'm not a legal, financial, or tax advisor in any way. I'm not telling you how to invest your money. This is simply just like my strategy of what I see and my opinion coming into thought, so that I can, I guess, talk to myself about it. But this is again, something that has caught my eye so much. I know I've talked about precious metals, I've talked about stocks before. You know, now I'm looking at cryptocurrencies and just seeing opportunities here. Again, there's just opportunities everywhere right now. I mean, no matter what kind of investor you are, you have to go where the opportunities are. And that's just the way that I see cryptocurrencies right now, and it's certainly the way that I see precious metals. Now, there's a ton of opportunities in stocks. I know a lot of you guys just solely like the stock market. You either want to do options or futures, or you just want to trade like shares of stocks. The way that I view this is that you have to be versatile and you have to be adaptable, because if you're only willing to trade one market, then when that one market isn't doing good, it's going to be a pretty boring time for you. And so when I'm looking at this, again, I love stocks. I just think that the hot cakes right now, for the most part, there are good stocks to invest in. I think that for the hot right now, in the short term, cryptocurrencies and precious metals are awesome. Doesn't mean I'm not accumulating stocks, but again, I just think that these guys are on the brink of something big and something volatile, and that is what I like to be on the lookout for. So that is my thoughts on the altcoin market cap, guys. Again, keep an eye on this. Keep an eye on Ethereum. Keep an eye on the entirety of the altcoin market cap. Look at these charts and look at what these projects are doing, because I think, again, we're on the brink of something big. I think the best is yet to come, and we have just scratched the surface of what we're getting ready for. So we'll see in the coming months, the 2020, 2021, if this is going to come to fruition. But yeah, I think things are looking bullish in my opinion, and I don't have any reason for them to turn bearish for the time being. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like and ask any questions that you might have in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to get back to you. I'm very good about answering the comment section, and if you guys want links to anything, there are a ton of links down in the description below as well. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video.